Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Camaro. The driveway, the open highway, the closed track. As long as there's pavement, this classic sports car owns it. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, sport suspension, driver selectable mode, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, air conditioning, external memory control, leather steering wheel, Wi-Fi hotspot, and V8 engine. Automobile Notes, all of the Camaros we drove had crisp turn-in and linear steering response. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.